What's up, guys? Welcome back to Built After 5, and today's the day we're going to be going after that broken bolt, as you can see. And yeah, this WK1 could be running after we leave the garage today, guys. Let's get it. Is that we got a check engine light here, and that's because we got an injector circuit code that wasn't here before this repair. But the valve seal job is done. Now it's time to track down this electrical issue. The truck runs perfectly fine, it idles smooth, everything, I can hear everything good, you know, everything is good. It's just that we have this little electrical problem. I gotta track it down. But hey guys, thank you so much. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, guys. If you have any ideas on what these injector codes could be, leave them in the comments. I'll see you in the next Built After 5 garage, guys.